What's the meaning of admin? Admin. 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 Admin is a shortened form of administrator, which refers to a person who is given the authority to manage a system or an organization. An admin typically has the power to perform tasks such as creating and deleting user accounts, modifying settings, and monitoring activity. They play a crucial role in maintaining the functionality and security of a system or organization. In summary, an admin is a person with the responsibility of managing and maintaining a system or organization to ensure its smooth operation.